Hello dear friends, today we are going to discuss IOT or Internet of Things. First we will discuss what is IOT. IOT refers to the collection of all those devices that have the ability to connect to the internet and collect and share data, hence the name IOT. In IoT, by means of sensors or actuators, the data are collected and the collected data is transmitted to internet where the processing takes place. The devices involved can be smartphones, laptops, smartwatches, smart TVs, smart refrigerator, smart cars, and finally the smart homes. Yes, the home is also involved in IoT. It helps to maintain the home as a smart home through the interconnection of different things using the technology Internet of Things. Next we are going to see why do we need IoT? Because IoT helps to make our life more comfortable. People are using different smartphones for their convenience to make entertainment, for shopping, for communicating with others. Everything is possible through the smartphones. It's one of the application of Internet of Things. Let us discuss smart home. Means of the sensors present in the light. The lights are activated either by the presence of you in the room or by means of voice activated. By means of IoT, it helps to provide security to home. It allows only the authorized people to enter the home and also lock when you left the home. It's possible to adjust the temperature in your home using IoT. Based on the surrounding temperature, the sensors will adjust the corresponding temperature. IoT brings more benefits to the society. That means it includes different fields like healthcare. The healthcare services are more beneficial to the society. The doctors can communicate with the patient in a better way. So the doctor no need to come in closer contact with the patient. And for the analysis of the data, the computer can also help in better decision making. By combining the patient analysis report of the computer and by the doctor, it's possible to give a better solution regarding the patient condition. Thus, it is highly beneficial to the society. Next is agriculture. Agriculture using IoT makes our society more efficient. In order to improve the field of agriculture, we can implement the modern techniques like smart tractors and the data analysis devices. It will help to understand the characteristics of the soil, and thus we can implement the new technologies there for improving the field of agriculture, for providing food. The field of manufacturing industry, IoT plays an important role in minimizing the labor cost by means of different devices which are automated for doing particular task. Next is IoT and its benefits in educational field. In education, different methods are implemented for making education more beneficial, like augmented reality. That means the students can feel like it is a real incident. By means of augmented reality, it is in conjunction with IoT. The next question is, how does IoT work? What are the architecture present inside IoT? Let us see that on. There are mainly 4 layers are involved in IoT. They are sensing, connectivity, data processing, and finally the user interface. Sensing device means what? The first layer, that means different sensors or actuators are present inside the IoT device. By means of those devices, the particular data is sensed. For example, atmospheric pressure sensors will sense the atmospheric pressure. The temperature sensors will sense the temperature. Like that, the light sensors will sense the light. After sensing the corresponding data, it will go to the connectivity layer. In the connectivity layer, it's mainly basically the internet. In the internet, the data will reach. How it will reach there? Through the different technologies like Wi-Fi, RFID, Bluetooth, and so on. The corresponding data will reach the cloud, where the actual data processing will take place. That is the third stage. that is the data processing stage. Based on the data received through the internet, corresponding data is analyzed in that particular layer. After analyzing the data, the corresponding decisions will take place and the particular decision is sent to the IoT device. Based on different algorithms and different use cases, the particular data is analyzed and the decision is given to the IoT device. The last one is the user interface. It is in the application layer. In the user interface layer, the user can view the corresponding result in the IoT device and the user can make the usage of this user interface in a very efficient manner. It may be either a touch screen or a button present in the IoT device. So these are the 4 layers involved in IoT. They are sensing layer, connectivity layer, data processing layer, and finally the user interface layer. Next question is, what kind of future does IoT have? Regarding the career planning, it's a good domain for the people who are pursuing a career. IoT is a promising domain that offers exciting career options. It has many learning opportunities also. In fact, both the private and public sector companies have tremendous scope in this domain. So, pursuing a career in this field of IoT is highly beneficial.